What up, GioVentures? Welcome to not any jungle, but monkey jungle. Ooh, ah, ah. Hey guys, we're gonna go to the Cameroon jungle to see this show.
GioVentures.
Hey guys, I'm gonna put it in the super feed zone. Here you go, guys. Yep. Hey guys, here at Monkey Jungles, they're not in cages, we are. A fossil site was discovered here at Monkey Jungle. Hey guys, let's go to the Cameroon jungle to see a show. Come on.
Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to Monkey Jungle's Cameroon Jungle. Alright, my name is Anna, and our big handsome gorilla in front of us, his name is King. King here is a Western lowland gorilla. He is the only kind of gorilla that you guys are going to find in captivity in the United States. There are a total of 4 subspecies of gorillas. So the other 3 subspecies are called the Eastern lowlands, which are the largest gorillas, the mountain gorillas, which are made famous by Diane Fossey's Gorillas in the Mist, if anybody is familiar with her work, and the very last ones are actually called cross river gorillas. You good, honey? How you doing? Good. Okay, cool. Here we go, hon. Look. Up. Oh. Turn around. Very good. Very good. Good job, hon. Last one, honey. Here we go. Up. Walk. Very good. Take your bow. Very good. Good. All right, guys. So thank you guys very much for coming out here. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day.
Hey guys, what did you think about the presentation? Leave a comment down below. And he's still eating his food. Hey guys, let's go to the Amazonian rainforest feeding. Come on, let's go.
Capuchins are considered the smartest of New World monkeys and do have the cognitive intelligence level of a 9-year-old. So they're used in programs to help out paraplegics and quadriplegics with simple daily tasks, such as getting dressed or undressed, working the TV or microwave, or even dialing 911 in case of an emergency. And when the operator answers and there's a screaming monkey on the other end, they'll definitely know to send for some help. Now the second species we'll be going over today are the little yellow and gray guys that are kind of bouncing around everywhere. And those are the squirrel monkeys. We have approximately 150 of these guys just running wild in this 5-acre compound.
Hey guys, we feed the monkeys cranberries. Well, also I love cranberries. Well, have one. Hey guys, let's get a souvenir at the Moldomatic. Monkey Jungle. Leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button. See ya. Peace out.